The Supreme Court has pulled up the government after it submitted the one rank, one pension payment roadmap in a sealed cover. The Chief Justice Diva Chandrachud said, and I quote, "Sealed covers are fundamentally against the judicial process." Ashmit joins us now with more details. Ashmit, the Chief Justice of India making it clear, sealed cover jurisprudence, the time for this has come to an end. We saw this play out in the Adani Hindenburg matter as well, and for the second time today.
Well, the Chief Justice of India, Justice D.Y. Chandrachud, making his position exceptionally clear that he is personally averse to submissions being filed by the centre, by the government, in a sealed cover. Now, this is something that he's taken exception to in the past and made his view clear today as well. And now, all of this case, today's hearing was essentially in the one rank, one pension, or the OROP case that was pending before the Apex Court. The hearing, the subject matter essentially was regarding compliance of a previous Supreme Court order which had directed for these pension dues to be cleared by March 15th. That did not happen, and therefore the centre, represented by the Attorney General, sought to clarify its position, but in a sealed envelope only for the judges and not for the other parties. Now, that is something that the Chief Justice did not like, made his views clear. He pointed out that this is fundamentally against the rules of justice, that this proceedings, this public proceeding, there can be no secrecy in that there needs to be full transparency, and further going on to say that he's wary of allowing these sealed covers to ensure that the high courts don't start beginning this practice of accepting submissions in a sealed envelope. Now, this is the view that the Apex Court has given, has said that all the submissions that the centre has to give can be made in public, can be passed across the bar, and need not be in a cover. What's interesting is that very recently, even in the Adani Hindenburg case, at the time the centre had sought to make its submissions in a sealed cover, and that too had been rejected by the Apex Court. So the CJI taking a firm view, no room for secrecy, no sealed cover, transparency is the way to go.
Ashmit, many thanks for joining us. The Supreme Court has dismissed a plea